Did you know using CapCut features can get your content copyright claim if you don't use it properly? Let me show you why I said that. I uploaded my video and within seconds, YouTube flagged it. That means no monetization, no revenue, even if the video performs well. And the craziest part is, the problem wasn't coming directly from YouTube. It was something I added inside CapCut. So, stop using this CapCut feature right now if you want to avoid copyright claims. So I'm going to show you the feature here in my channel so you can know how to prevent your video from being copyright claim. You shouldn't lose monetization on your video, or let your revenue go to someone else. And in some cases, it can limit your content visibility. Now imagine spending hours editing, only for it to be flagged seconds after upload. That's painful. Let me show you exactly what happened. You can see the copyright notice right here. YouTube showed that copyrighted content was detected at 32 seconds. And guess what that was? Background music. That was music I added directly from the CapCut library while I'm editing. Now did you agree that not all music inside CapCut is cleared for monetized YouTube content? Some tracks are, for personal use, for certain regions, or may still trigger content ID systems. So just because it's inside CapCut does not automatically mean it's safe for monetization. That's where many creators get confused. Now let me give you save options instead. When choosing music in CapCut, look for tracks labeled for commercial use. Always check before exporting. Or maybe you edit your entire video in CapCut, but export it without background music. After uploading, then upload it to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. Open Editor. Click on your video. Click on Audio. Then choose music directly from YouTube's audio library. Most of the tracks there are safe for monetized YouTube content. This reduces your risk of copyright claims significantly. Now let me be clear. Using CapCut music doesn't automatically mean you will get claimed. But if you care about monetization long-term, you need to be careful about what you add, especially trending sounds or popular style tracks. It's always better to double-check than to regret it after upload. So why this matters for small creators? If you're trying to grow your channel, if you're trying to reach monetization, if you're trying to build income from your content, you cannot afford avoidable copyright issues. One mistake repeated across multiple videos can slow your progress. And most people don't talk about this. But now you know. So remember, not all CapCut music is safe for monetization. Always check commercial use labels, or add music inside YouTube Studio instead. Simple adjustment, big difference. You should never ignore any mistakes made. Small negligence can cause your video to be copyrighted or even affect your video visibility. That means wasted effort. It's better not to upload than to upload a video and get low visibility or copyright claim. Take note of it and be cautioned. Now, I know there will definitely be something confusing you will love to ask. Put it the comment, someone might help you with the right answer. Give me a like if I've deserved that from you, but I guess I definitely deserve that, even more. Hit the like and subscribe button to access more of my videos where I share YouTube growth tip and AI content tool for video creation. Don't just edit, edit smart. I'll see you in the next video.